Aloha, small business Ohana. It's Wednesday. Happy hump day. I wanted to remind you that the Introductions with Mana workshop is next Tuesday from 8:30 to 11:30 a.m. It is in person. It is in Naperville. So as long as you can drive here, you are welcome to sign up. The workshop will help you deliver your 30-second introduction with confidence and clarity as you highlight your unique value. You will learn the key elements to include in your introduction, including do's and don'ts. You will practice and receive feedback so that your delivery is strong and your content is impactful. You will learn how to overcome challenges and find your authentic voice while you highlight your differentiation. You don't have to do this alone. You will join up to 9 other small business owners in this 3-hour workshop. I'll be guiding you every step of the way with my decades of marketing experience and networking experience, and I'll even have a little Hawaiian motivation to keep the work fun. Some of it is edible and some of it is visual, so you'll just have to show up and find out what I'm talking about. You do use your introduction every single day, whether you realize it or not. It could be overtly at a networking event, or it could be on your social media business profile, or in proposals, or on your website, or in emails, or you get the picture. It can be anywhere. So if you are interested or you know a small business owner who would like to meet the right people with a clear, unique, and powerful 30-second introduction, then sign up today. The workshop, again, is limited to 10 participants to allow time for everyone to receive feedback from the group as well as me. So mahalo. I hope you have a wonderful second half of the week as August is almost coming to a close. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is time. It is time to transform. That's been my word of 2022, and it is time to transform your introduction and watch your business grow. Mahalo.